Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 artificial intelligence coins by market cap. We're going to start with Bittensor number 1, followed by Render, Fetch, AGIX, AKT, AIOZ, Ocean, Arkham, NOS, and then we'll end it with Golem at number 10. Let's get straight into it. TAO against USDT, we're severely overbought. Severely overbought, and you can see just marginally higher highs, right? And lower high, lower high, lower high. Lower high, lower high, lower high on the MACD and RSI. So this means that potentially there could be a dip. I don't see the bearish chart pattern yet. I mean, of course, sure, we could get mountain ranges over here. Sure, we could hit lower, but yeah, we could just as well continue a little bit higher before heading lower. But yeah, again, this is not where you buy. You buy things when they are oversold, not when they are overbought. So yeah, it's a no-go for us, TAO. Render, okay, Render has done tremendously, right? Render against USD is already up again. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with the bullish bias. And yeah, if I had to guess, right, this whole thing is a wave 1, down for the 2, and now we're up wave 3. We'll probably get a 4 and a 5, so I don't think we're done yet. But at the same time, again, this could be a double bearish divergence. Okay, I don't think so. I think more likely than not, even if we were to drop lower, sweep these lows, I suspect we could still see a reversal back up for Render. The only thing is that we don't know how much lower it's going to go. Could we hit to this tippy top here? Maybe? Again, we're not entirely sure. So we're going to have to take things one step at a time for Render. Fetch. Okay, Fetch against BTC. If you look at Fetch against BTC, again, very strong. All the AI coins are doing pretty well against BTC. We are going very close to the all-time highs. All-time highs will probably take us to how many more percent is that? 200%. So I don't think we're gonna go all the way we could, but we'll probably take a break somewhere along the way. Okay, this is a very nice squeeze that came in. You see this? A, B, C, D, E. Pam, we're out. So more upside, yes sir, more upside. Fetch against USDT. If you look at Fetch against USD, we are also severely overbought. Any clear signs of yeah, no, we're 248. So again, pure guessing, we'll probably be heading towards $5. That's my guess. And after $5, we'll probably be heading close to sub $10. Just pure guessing. So yeah, $5 is about 100%. So potentially another 100% more for Fetch AI. But again, this is pure guessing, no hard targets. We're severely overbought. So if anything, we'll still have to wait for a retrace, right? We want to see a setup for another move towards the end of the year, right? So this could be a deeper retrace though. We're not entirely sure. So yeah, nothing much for us to do for Fetch. We still have to wait for a retrace. AGIX Singularity, AGIX against BTC. AGIX BTC, okay, this is good. Of course, best thing that could happen is we squeeze here before heading higher. Or maybe get a cup and handle, kind of a chart pattern, right? Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for AGIX BTC. Against USD, AGIX is also going bananas. We're all going bananas. All the AI coins are bananas. And okay, this is good. We're following in a very controlled manner. It's only a matter of time before we reverse back up. But the question is, when? When is the time? Yeah, we don't know. We still have to wait for BTC to stop dropping. BTC has been dropping day after day after day. So yeah, nothing much for us to do here for AGIX. Still, we have to wait for it to bottom. Akash, AKT, BTC. Do we have Akash, BTC? Okay, some B-tracks. Let's just look at the USD pair. Akash USD. Here we are for Akash. Okay, it's also severely overbought. Any clear signs of a nope. Very, very overbought. Very close to its high. Could we go into price discovery? For sure. But is this where you make entries? Nope. Entries should be made when there is either an accumulation or a retrace. We have to wait for the retrace. Or, look at this beautiful ABCDE. Do you see this? ABCDE. Or you can also call this a D and E. We're out. So again, there was also another squeeze over here. Right. A symmetrical breakout. Anything here for us? Nope. We still gotta wait. You still gotta wait, boys and girls. AIOZ, USDT. Here we are. AIOZ. Anything for us? No. We're also very close to the highs. Is there a reversal? Nope. Yes, we are aware that this is a marginally higher high. Still, yeah, we're above the skinny pink line. We still lean bullish for AIOZ, and we anticipate these highs to be taken out. So probably we'll be going above $1.22. Right now we're at 76 cents. So yeah, more upside. Again, we could be retracing a little bit lower first before heading higher. Right, this would be great though. A rest period. And then somewhere in May, summer bull run. Okay, no, we're already in a run. So summer continuation for AIOZ. But for now, yeah, nip. Ocean. If everybody had an ocean in the USA. So for Ocean against BDC. Oh, look at this beauty. Do you see this beauty? Okay, wait. Okay. So if you look here, okay, let's just take this. Let's not go too far. Hang on, let me just... okay, let's go far. Okay, no, we don't go too far. So for Ocean against BDC, yeah, you can see this, right? There's a nice little squeeze here. A, B, C, D, E. And the resistance line is flat. We like flat resistance lines. We're probably going to hit the resistance line. We're probably going to bounce off of it a little bit. And then we continue higher. I mean, of course, we could also just shoot up. But this is against BDC. You want to see accumulation against BDC, right? Usually when a bearish trend ends, we go sideways for a while before going back up. You can argue that this is already the sideways and up. There was also another sideways and up. This whole thing is also the sideways. And an up could be coming. So, yeah, and we are accumulating. We've been accumulating since the highs here at what? 2020? It's been 1,304 days. 1,000 days. If we count it from here, we've been accumulating for 846 days. So, I feel Ocean could do really well. Potentially, we could go all the way. But we have to take things one step at a time and assume that we will not take out the highs, right? Again, we'll probably just take out these highs here, 4352, around there. And then we'll probably take a break before continuing higher. That's our take for Ocean. Ocean BDC looks good though. Ocean USD, here we are for Ocean USD. Okay, Ocean USD could also be in a consolidation to continue higher, right? Again, I'm not sure whether we're going to be taking out the highs over here. We are also very, very overbought. If this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, we'll be getting a 4, very likely, and then a 5. How high will the 5 be? We're not too sure. We're not too sure. This is a very nice falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher, right? Usually breaks higher. So this is Ocean for you. Again, from a trading standpoint, we don't see it yet, so we're going to be very, very cautious. Arkham against BDC. Here we are for Arkham. Ooh, look at this. Hey, right. Look at this. Consolidation, accumulation, breakout. Did we go from new highs? Probably, yep. Again, we are expecting some sort of a consolidation. If anything, this could be just a 1. We get a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5. Best case scenario, right? We don't have any targets towards this high. But if we were to continue any higher, we will still have to wait for a consolidation for Arkham BDC. Against USD, Arkham is also on a Reaper. Again, if we have to count it, 1, 2, 3, we probably get a 4 and a 5. Going to $5. Right now at 237. So yeah, I think eventually we'll continue higher. But the only question is, will we just take out these lows and then we continue higher? Or could we drop to this noisy area over here? Potentially dropping here first before heading higher. A little lower? Again, we're not entirely sure. No clear signs of a reversal on the shorter term yet. So yeah, stay safe. Stay safe, boys and girls. Nosana. NOS against USDT. NOS against USDT on gate. Okay, we're super overbought. Okay, you can't do this. You can't. You absolutely can't. We're already up like what? 66,000%, dear Lord. So you can't. So how would you trade these kind of coins? You can't. You just can't. Can you tell whether if there are whales accumulating? Yeah, let's look at the volume. Look at this. Right, the whales have been accumulating since like what, August 2022. Buy. Push the price higher. 66,000%. And then sell off near the top. You will see the volume rising as well, which will mean that the whales are selling off. So the whales are not selling off yet. I think they have intention to pushing it past double digits, $10. We're probably going to go into double-digit territory. This is just one straight line up. Severely overbought. So again, nothing much for us to do here for Nosana. Golem against BTC. Anything for Golem BTC? Okay, for Golem against BTC, we are already above the skinny pink line, which is good. Something we want to see. And yeah, if Golem does continue higher, the highs will be quite high though, right? From the very lows over here, if you were to go close to the all-time highs, it's another 3,000%. 3,000%, and this is against BTC. It's against Bitcoin, not against USD. So you can see real true strength coming on for Golem. Potentially, no guarantees, potentially. We don't see the chart pattern on the BTC pair. It's just not as clear. We see the potential, but on the USD pair, we see it. We see the accumulation. We see the potential breakout coming on. If you look at Golem against USD, we're in a very big ABCD, very, very big one. A, B, C, D, E. And then there could be a big breakout coming on. We are above the skinny pink line, which is great. And we're in a very deep retrace, which is also great. We are at the noisy area, which is great. I suspect we could still drop a little bit lower, maybe to sub 40 cents. I don't think this is it. So a little bit, just a little bit lower. And then, yeah, potentially continuing higher for Golem. How much higher? We have a hard target. Ta-da! No, sorry, 2 hard targets. Ta-da! One is at $2.90, sub $3. Another one is at $4.80, sub $5. So potentially up to $5. We're only at 42 cents, yo. So this could be a 10x. Ta-da! Could be a tenner. You see that? This is Golem for you. This is Golem for you, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully we get a high quality wave E over here, right? A, B, C, D, E. Pam! We break higher. So this is good. This is a godsend. So yeah, again. So now we're trying to guess where is the low? Where is the low? Is this the low? Could we still see a lower low coming on for Golem? We're not too sure. We're not too sure. All we know is that we are already at the noisy area. So yeah, I think here is a very good area to be accumulating, in my opinion. So yeah, I think it's only a matter of time before we complete consolidation over here and to continue higher for Golem. Golem looks really, really, really sweet. Really sweet, right? If you compare to the other coins that has already risen so much, Golem has yet to fulfill its full potential, right? 290 and potentially 480. I mean, of course, we could go bananas and go even higher, right? But we'll take things one step at a time. If and when the time comes to take profits, you must take profit. You just rotate it into something else which has a high quality chart pattern as well. Something like Golem, right? So we like what we see on Golem. Could this be something that stretches all the way out to 2020? Of course, we could stretch to 2028 before seeing any sort of a continuation. So yeah, we're still waiting for higher quality chart patterns first before, you know, committing to anything. But of course, yeah, we can also make, you know, moves here, right, at these levels. So yeah, you're gonna have to wait and see, right? If things start turning bearish, right, I mean, let's say for example we get a descending triangle over here, then yeah, of course things very likely is gonna drop even lower. But the best ever telltale sign on whether the trend is still on or not is the skinny pink line. As long as we're above it, stay with the bullish bias until we touch it, and then yeah, that's it, right? So we touch it here and here again, but of course we were in a run. So we went all the way close to its highs over here. We didn't take out the highs. And then what happened? We crossed it. We rallied back up. This is what you call a get out rally. So you get out of Golem, and after that, pump, it drops, right? From here to here, it's a 70% drop. You see how brutal that is? Yeah. So now we're back up. And yeah, we're hoping for a consolidation. And we're above the skinny pink line. This is good, boys and girls. So yeah, there you go. That's our take for Golem. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top AI coins by Market Cap TA. And if you haven't watched it yet, we did meme coins yesterday. So go check it out. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!